Essentially, we're what's called a specialty coffee roaster. Our business is sourcing amazing coffees from around 26 different countries around the world. We import those coffees and then we're roasting those and delivering them to your favourite cafes around Australia. The roastery itself, this is where all the green coffee comes in. This is where all the roasting and the cooking happens. The roasters are always the first ones here. We roast here every day and we're distributing to our customers, our wholesale cafes and partners every day as well. This is the beating heart of our whole operation.
So Sungrow came with us with a pretty common problem that businesses are facing, and that's that they're spending too much money on electricity. They previously had a solar system that they'd installed and that just wasn't producing enough electricity.
We had solar before, we installed it in 2013. It was producing about 37 to 39% of our power needs. We were just actually looking with the install at the old technology and how far it's come.
Sungrow has had a system installed. That system has degraded over time and their usage needs have increased. Times have also changed. We're seeing less incentives for exporting back into the grid and more incentives for using your own power. So the time was right to get an upgrade. It's normal to see systems degrade over time and lose efficiency. The good news is solar panels today have a performance warranty of 25 to 30 years, where it used to be 10 to 15. So meaning less replacement, longer usage and better outcomes for your business.
What we're trying to achieve with this project and when we engage with green.com.au is a few things. Of course, we're trying to improve our energy efficiency, so getting a newer system, improving the production of solar energy, that was critical, so getting the right system for that. Improving some of our cost base, so reducing some of those electricity costs, and then reducing our carbon impact's a big part of the business. We're at B Corp accredited business. We've been tracking our carbon reporting for the last 5 years. The new system out there will offset around 50 tonnes of carbon annually, so we're stoked about that.
When we first started the design process for Sungrow, they already had a bit of an idea of what they wanted, but we wanted to make sure that we provided exactly what they needed. We looked at their current energy profile, their old system, how they operate and function as a business and the current incentives available here in Australia. And what was really clear is that they didn't just need some more solar panels to increase consumption and cover more of their daytime usage. They also needed a battery. A battery makes so much sense for a business like Sungrow. Sungrow are a producer of coffee, so think machinery, high loads, lots of usage at any one given time. Now, what that usually means for businesses is they get an additional charge called a demand charge, and that's where you're drawing a lot of power at any one given time. By installing the battery, not only were we able to store their excess solar so that they could use it at times they needed it, it also meant that we could control when they were using that power and ultimately taking back control of their energy usage, and of course, in return, getting some further savings on their power bills that weren't just usage charges.
When choosing our solar partner, we went through a pretty extensive process. We probably talked to like 7 or 8 providers. We got that down to like 3 or 4. And then we were looking for, I guess, who would give us a system that fit our business needs? Who did we trust as people? And who did we feel generally cared about our business and wanted us to succeed? And it was a win-win for both businesses. And when it came down to it, working with Felix and Abby, it was just really easy. Whatever we asked for, we went back and forth a few times. They were able to come up with a great solution. And then the installing team has been absolutely flawless. So all in all, so far, it's been an absolutely amazing experience. I can't wait to boot it up in a couple of hours. Yep.
By installing this system for single O, we're estimating an annual bill reduction of about 60%, which will get them an ROI within 3 years. We're also estimating roughly a reduction of about 50 tons of CO2 per year. At Green, we love looking at future-proofing. One of the goals that Single O had was to potentially move towards an EV fleet.
25 was all about giving a puck, which was getting coffee grounds out of landfill. This year it's about electrification, so we're upgrading the solar. We've got this lovely little landing zone down there that we currently store stuff in, but we're hoping that's going to be a little electric parking bay, so hopefully upgrading our fleet.
We've installed a Sungrow SBH battery for Single O. One of the best things about Sungrow and this particular battery is that it's modular. So we can increase it over time should they need to and they want to expand the amount of power that they store. They also have their own EV chargers, so we can get everything integrated all on one app, which makes things absolutely streamlined for monitoring and being able to really understand how much they're spending, what they're using, and how they can become more sustainable.
Pumped to start looking at the app and working through the technology and seeing the reduction in our power. Then probably just working with the green team on optimizing that, because I know there's lots they can do with the analytics and looking at the load over the first month and then adjusting what we're doing within our business. So I think ultimately the data will lead to changes across our whole business and how we operate and reducing our electricity costs, not just through the solar. But if I was talking to another business owner, I just recommend them to do it. I think the investment, if you look at it, it pays off in the long term. The companies that you work with like Green, they sort everything out for you. You don't have to do anything. They take you through the process, they install, they work with local installers, and there's no reason not to be doing it. And it's better for your business and it's better for the environment. So get on board. Couldn't recommend green.com.au enough. Seamless experience, trust, good equipment, fit for your business, and they make it easy, which is what you want as a business owner, to get up and running fast and reducing those costs and improving your environmental impacts. So that's what you're looking for.